Alright, I got the rope started out. I'm just trying to get it wound up all the way so I can get to that back knot. Go. Bend these tabs up a little bit. A little bit tight. I got a little bit of spring tension on it right now. So these little tabs right here, they give you a couple extra in case you break one off. I'm just kind of loosening them up a little bit. Drier than dry, so it's been setting for quite a while. We just get a little I think I'm gonna bend them right up and get that little pulley out of there so I can get that spring, see what kind of condition that spring's in. Good thing I took it out. If you can see the kind of a loop-de-loop bend right there. So we got to kind of bend that back into shape. Okay, the other end is still connected. These are kind of a pain. little wipe out here. Okay. I've got that spring straightened out, and I think we can get that tab back in there. So I'm just going to give it a little lube. Then I have to get the end of the spring in that little fixture right there. It might be easier said than done. If I pull up on that center too much, then the whole spring kind of flips out. So kind of keep a hand down inside there. Okay, I've got the end of the spring in. Make sure everything's down inside it. All right, got everything lined up there. Bring them tabs back down. You don't want them real tight, just enough to keep that winder on that spring. Okay. Now we have to put tension on the spring. Get something here to hold it. Okay, that'll work. Okay, believe it's 5 winds, 5 or 6 winds, full circles. So we'll go ahead and get kind of away from you here. We'll go ahead and pull this around. We're right at the where the rope ties on, so that works out good. So we'll go there's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, I think that's 5. We'll go 1 more. 6. Go 7 right there. Hopefully we didn't go too many. And then we're going to put this little clamp in here. Okay, like that. We've got that clamped off. Now we need a little rope. A little rope here. Looks like it broke off right at the motor. So we need just a little bit that we're going to pull, so about maybe right there. Okay, got my heat gun. Like that. And then we'll slide that in the hole where the rope goes. Started up the guide tube here. Now she comes. So now on this end, tie a little knot. Clip off the fuzzies. Keeps it from fraying, also sets that knot. Okay, and we just pull that up to where it's on that hole. Undo the clamp. And we'll go ahead and Okay, that'll be fine. Go ahead and put a handle on that. Just got a universal handle. Do a double knot. Tip there. All right. I think that'll do it. Let's go ahead and put that back on the motor.